Look at this dude with this 2-color GTR. All right, come on in. Okay, you're gonna pull that way. Don't hit the house. Dang, bro. All right, guys, here it is. We already got one complaint by the neighbors.
Well, that's all then.
Before the animals. All right here we got GTR Roar, my boy. Here's his Instagram. Go follow him.
It's fucking loud.
It's
It's pretty fucking loud.
We also got Hot Boy Louie here with his hat glasses.
God.
You guys know Louie from when he fixed my VR4. Right there. So what's happening here is you got in an accident.
It was side swipe parked. I got bars, so.
Yeah. It wasn't his fault. It was just parked on the street, and some asshole hit it. So this all got repainted probably about, how long ago? 3 months ago?
Probably 6. This is original. This is all new.
Hold on, let me wipe my lens. Okay.
That panel's original.
That panel is original. Why'd you peel the ramp off then?
They did it at the body shop. There was like a pencil thick, right here.
Okay, why is that gap so tight? Goddamn.
Yeah, bro.
Anyhow.
They got that OEM fit.
We're gonna rewrap this thing right now. So these guys are gonna chill here. Louis gonna fix it. Look at my car.
I'm gonna swimming.
He's gonna go swim in the duck pond.
Yeah, I'm gonna swim.
Dude,
looking real
pool
refreshing.
right there. Jump in right now. Jump in.
That looks so much better though. It's like a mud bath.
This is the duck water, guys. Duck water. All right. So while they're chilling, I'm gonna redo this whole bumper with extra wrap material, and it's gonna be 3 pieces like I did before. This from here over is a separate piece, and here these are separate pieces. This is the GTR wrapped in 3M Deep Space. He wants to go another color, but he's been deciding on a new color for about 2 years now.
Image.
What?
Printed image.
Oh, he wants a printed image. So if you guys do printing and can design the print, hit this guy up. He might have some business for you. He can't settle on a color. All right, let's do this. All right, so this is the advantage of having a wrap on your car. If you get damage, you can choose to not repaint this whole bumper and fender and then just buy a bumper and fender. Don't pay for paint. Have insurance pay you for the paint job and then just go get wrapped. And yeah, you can just have cool colors and the wrap will sometimes take the damage for you. I didn't get any footage of this car out in the daylight. I can show you that, what it looks like. Again, when we go to the show in San Francisco, that's going to be an upcoming episode. So I'll show you guys that next, but they came back the next week when he dropped off his Tesla, because I'm going to wrap his Tesla too. So here it is. Oh, you guys need to get in the same shot so I can like tag you all at the same time. What the fuck? Where you going, Kyle?
I'm chilling, bro.
We're lining
All
up
right,
like
here's
little
Louis.
preschoolers taking a fucking year.
This is Gio. And this is Kyle. They're dropping off this bomb-ass new Tesla so I can... what we're going to do is we're going to pull the fenders and then I'm going to wide-body it. Okay? No, we're just going to do a standard boring gray wrap. But first, we're going to do some ludicrous mode, baby. You ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm
I'm
fucking
not gonna be
ready.
able to hold that camera.
It's
I'm
gonna fall.
fucking
It's
ready.
gonna hit your face.
Oh, I'm gonna try too. It'll be great content if it hits my face though. Let's go.
If anything, you shop in the
So-
front seat.
Yeah.
Oh,
you're in the front
look.
seat.
Oh, word.
Drop
Why do you
front
have this on here, bro? I'm gonna take this off or something.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna,
wish. Hit me with about 3K.
so I'm gonna work around this.
You don't have to.
What? All right, I'll work around it.
That shit ain't coming
Can I
off.
take this off?
Hey, your
I'm just
dual
gonna pull
motor
it down and sit
bullshit.
on it.
Yeah.
That's coming off.
You gotta be able to put it back on though.
What? Nope.
Has to.
You can't.
What is this?
That
Once-
shit's hella expensive.
Once it comes off, it comes off.
That shit's like 300 bucks.
I'm not gonna just make a square around it and then just leave it.
Try to.
That's what I might do because it's not coming back on. Because there's no way of realigning that.
That shit's like 300 bucks. I'm trying to keep that on there.
Why is Tesla robbing people? Fucking decal is 300 bucks.
Yeah, bro.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna make a square.
Man, it'll be black.
Yeah.
Black
Around it, and it'd just be a black square. Okay? You
Down.
good with that?
Down.
I get you that shit on camera. I don't hear you complain about Paradox exposing
Hey,
shit.
jet fuel only.
Jet fuel.
Get that on camera. Get that on camera.
Wait. Front seat.
You
Oh
got
shit.
shotgun, dude.
We're about to hit this shotgun,
Back's
baby.
all dirty, dog.
What?
Back's all
No,
dirty.
I don't care. This car about to get dirty. You got the carbon fiber interior.
There we go.
Dang. Oh yeah, copyright. Holy fuck. Oh shit. So here we go. We're about to hit this ludicrous mode. What does it say? Are you sure you want to push the limits? This will cause accelerated wear in the motor, gearbox, and battery. Fuck yeah, hit that button.
Well, no, we gotta wait 30 minutes for it to warm up either way.
Oh fuck. You guys been driving this whole time. What do you mean warm up?
It's gotta warm up in a certain mode.
Oh, money!
That didn't even happen.
Oh, dude.
You want me to hit
Why-
that
why
launch
is my-
control?
Yeah, hold up, G. Hold up, let me.
You're gonna drop it.
You're gonna drop
You're
it.
gonna drop
I'm
it.
not joking.
Alright, okay.
Alright, launch
Hold on.
control.
Oh, launch control on. Alright, let's see. Oh, fuck, dude! Holy fuck! It's like a roller coaster. Oh, shit!
That was 65 right there.
Damn! Yo! That shit is crazy! Your fucking face! Bruh!
Paradox, that's the first time I see you open your eyes, bro.
Bruh! Dude! This thing is so fast, it knocks the Asian out of you.
Oh god.
Yeah, okay, get a better angle. Too much light over there. Okay, here we go. Oh, fuck! Shit, son! Yo, we gotta take this shit to the track.
Yeah, bro.
Mike says he'll gap this. I don't know about that. Cause that takeoff,
Even a 30-year-old, like,
fuck! You guys have no idea how violent this thing kicks. Holy shit. Yo, this is what it's all about right here. Fuck your two JCs and you gotta get that Tesla. Ah! Oh, damn. Dude, that's fucking money.
not a sound either.
The silent killer.
And it's just instant, you know, you're rolling down the road and just...
Damn. This fucker grips like a motherfucker. Holy shit, it's messing up my gimbal.
Too much G-force.
Go down that. Oh shit! Yeah, go down that street. Go on.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Oh fuck me! Oh shit!
God.
Yeah, you can turn right here.
Here, I'll get this circle.
Oh, get him! Fuck! Shit, this thing handles like a motherfucker. Holy cow!
For a fucking full-size sedan.
Dude. This one's the type model though, because the Model S is the only one that looks good. Can you please
Model X isn't bad.
Can you please sell your GTR and just get this thing a wide body kit?
I would just get two of them and then gut one.
Dude, GTR is garbage after this. There's no point in even having
It is slow.
There's no point in
And you
even
can
having
just
a
rip around the
GTR.
neighborhoods, you know, like midnight, just be...
Oh, fuck. Damn.
That's 40.
You guys ever want to go on a roller coaster?
Just hop on it.
Hop on a Tesla. Ludicrous Plus. Say what happens when you hold Ludicrous
If you
Plus?
hold it, it goes into like an even crazier version of Ludicrous Plus. So you click it once, whatever. But if you hold it,
Oh, shit.
that's when it goes into the crazier, no, I don't want my mommy, bring it on mode.
This is more than what we've been doing?
I did turn on at first to this, but over a couple pulls and after like 70-ish, it slows down a bit.
Okay. Still need to warm it up though.
Yeah, I
Like
want
10 minutes to warm up.
just gonna flip it around.
Alright. Do whatever you gotta do.
Oh, shit. This thing's crazy with the handles. Ooh. What you need is like the engine noises. Make the engine
Oh, I got that.
Oh, good? Yeah. Show them the engine noises.
the fucking engine noise mod.
You got that. You want the engine noises on?
Yeah.
Oh, hit that shit. Hold up.
It doesn't rev, it's always an idle. What the fuck? I'm gonna pull into the grass here. I gotta remaneuver some cars. More forward, forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. More. Okay, right there. All right.
Fastest thing you've been in?
This thing is fucking fast. But this is my guy right here. He actually helped me get started in the whole rap game. He was the first one to actually give me a car
Nice
that
car.
was actually worth some money.
Not a Honda.
Anyway, we're gonna be wrapping this in this episode. Now that we had some fun in it, so stay tuned for that.
We're taking Hamilton.
That's Bella.
Oh.
Hamilton's in the house.
All right. Don't worry, he'll get out here. Take him.
You guys about to head home back to the bay?
In a few minutes. We'll
All
hang
right,
out
come
for-
check out the wraps. Okay, here we go. Tesla about to go down with some of this
Avery gray wrap right here. So this is Avery dark gray, but we're gonna call it Nardo gray just for the thumbnail, because everyone loves Nardo gray. So this is all prepped and ready to be wrapped. I just need to blow the air off it, wipe it down one more time, blow the dust off it, I mean. But I do want to point out right here, you see this is an imperfection in the paint where it's kind of like a weird mark that just won't go away. So yeah, you want to record stuff like this. Even though he's my boy, I'm gonna point this out and have video proof of it, so I'm not blamed for this. All right, since this is a brand new Tesla worth a lot of money, we want to make sure we got our bases covered. Stop trying to creep. Stop trying to creep. Take those glasses off. Let me get this reaction. Yeah. Only I get to stunt in these glasses.
Not even.
All right. You ready? All right, let's go. What do you think?
That shit looks dope.
Yeah, it looks great. Dude.
It looks a lot better.
Fire. Holy shit.
I like the metallic actually. That looks nice.
Right? Guys, that's it. My man Kyle, he's gonna head out. What do you think about the wrap?
No, it's terrific.
Fantastic. So if you guys saw this up close, you will see that we did the Chrome Delete in the Sparkle Black. Come see this at the shows. Hopefully he'll bring it as soon as you get wheels, because this is looking stock as fuck.
Yeah, no, they're expensive. GTR first. GTR first.
GTR first. All right, guys. Catch you guys next time.